Yo, today is January 1, 2023, 5:53 a.m. And you know, I told myself before the year started that I was gonna do more of this type of thing where I use my camera as my, what you call this, as like a watcher, if that makes sense. Like, you know, they say, oh man, someone's always watching you, so you gotta act, you know, you gotta do your best, be at your best behavior, etc. But I wanted to try something new in my life, and I want to make this camera as, you know, to hold myself accountable. You know what I mean? I don't know, man. I just feel like doing this. I feel like in 2022, including myself, I feel like a lot of people, you know, learned new wisdom and philosophies, and you know, I was a part of the people that, you know, started posting videos about it. You know, it's kind of spreading the word. But you know, I stopped doing that, and I just feel like I'm trying to take a different approach. And you know, I'm kind of glad I started doing YouTube, because I just saw, like, you know, my life unfolded kind of in 2023. I just feel like I'm going to just follow those philosophies and take y'all along the way. And you know, this camera, like I said, will hold me accountable of all the things that I'm supposed to do, like make my bed, you know, take care of my body, going to the gym, eating right, drinking water, etc., reading, getting, you know, practicing pool, get in tune with just the earth and, you know, fashion stuff and just anything about me. You know what I mean? Man, real quick, I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the room. So at this moment, I still live at my parents' house in this little bonus room, and life's great, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm grateful to be experiencing life. It's something that I would never ever take for granted. I don't know, I just feel like it's a waste of time if I don't take this serious. So obviously that's the entrance. I gotta buy all these stuff, you know, so I can consolidate items. Got my socks in there and some clothes, stuff like that. I just got those too, kind of organize my stuff better. Super tiny in here. My jackets, some shoes, some bunch of drip, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's the entrance. Go in, literally, that's my room. Oh, why is it blurry? All right, I can see it clear. Got a mirror over here. Also, man, the health, man. Look, okay, I'm not gonna suck my stomach in, but I'm kind of glad I started growing titties, man. But you know, like, I've been slacking in the gym, you know, like, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, there's like a little, obviously you can see that I work out, but you know, it can be better. My arms though, oh, I used to be so skinny. No definition of the arms before, but we there now, you know. Anyways, literally, that's it. Got my TV in there. Yep, I need to clean my room, but got my 3 paintings. But yeah, as y'all can see, simple living, but you know, my boy, that dog lives. I'm probably the person that changes the room the most, so I better just be mixing stuff around. But right now, it's the current setup. But yeah, man, 2023 is gonna be applying those knowledge and stuff that I've learned over the years. Yeah, real quick, this is the next. So also one of my goals this year is to read at least 12 books, at least. This first one that I'm gonna read this year is Contagious by Jonah Berger. But yeah, Nipsey talked about this book before, and so I really hope whoever's watching this to strive to be better. Don't waste your life, you know what I mean? Pursue whatever you want to pursue, whatever it is, get better at it. I think the reason why I really want to do this is 2022. I legit was just kind of slacking. I don't know, like drinking soda, for example. Like I would keep telling myself to, hey, stop drinking soda. But then I'm like, oh, one more day, I'm gonna drink one more soda. Just some pussy ass shit, you know what I'm saying? So this year, I'm gonna go the opposite route and actually go crazy. So let's see where it takes me. Today was a pretty productive day. First thing that I did, woke up, you know, me and my girl went to go eat at Cracker Barrel. I started the year off good with some good meals, and after that I went home, back to the house, and you know, watched some videos, and then went to the gym for the first time in like 2 to 3 weeks. After going to the gym, I played pool, practiced pool, and after I played pool, I took a shower and then started tidying up my room for a little bit. Just for a little bit. Doing stuff everywhere is worse than what it is now, but yeah. And then, yeah, started watching podcasts and decided to pick up the camera and just do what I do. Yo, all right, let's get done reading. So I'm about to go drive and see my girl. Man, y'all couldn't hear me in the car. Yeah, it wasn't bad. It wasn't a good idea driving while recording. So I'm about to go visit Chef Lexi, and we'll see if she wants to be in the camera. She doesn't know I'm doing this, so they're all swear breaking up. Yeah, mans. We're at Chef Lexi's residence, y'all. You know what I'm saying? All pink and everything over here, but
it's junky.
You wanna be on the camera?
No, look at my hair.
You still look fine, crazy.
Yeah, I know.
I got some shopo. Hey, if y'all ever had some before, fire. Just pork in here, but yeah. 2023, I'm gonna vlog every day. The camera will make me accountable. This is my accountability thing. So when I wake up, I gotta do my bed and all that stuff. Girl, who you think you is?
Chef Lexi in the cut.
But yeah, so you know, just gonna hang out with Chef Lexi and all that junk. Oh, give him some. Oh, what the heck happened? What the heck? Oh.
So
Give him my relationship advice.
It's wedding year. 5 months. Let's do this. So 2023, we got some resolutions going on.
Oh yeah, let's talk about that.
He is gonna work on his fitness. And work on taking accountability, constructive criticism, stuff like that. That's what he's gonna do better at. What else? Drink more water. I got my water on the table over there on cup number 2. And I'm working on my skincare routine because we about to be flawless. No, it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. But we about to be flawless, and that's it. Well, that's all I remember.
What you about to do? Watch Game of Thrones?
No.
Why not? I still feel that tingly feeling on my head, man.
I know. I've had a headache the entire day. I just took some Tylenol the entire day.
I don't have it. It doesn't hurt.
Mine does.
I told you, it just like feels tingly.
That's why all that stuff's on the couch. I put my massager out because my neck was hurting so bad.
But, all right. Yo, day 2 of the month of January. I'm about to head to the gym. Man, I really want to give this year my all, man. You know what I mean? I know, I just feel so motivated, and I feel like I just gotta put my best effort in everything that I'm doing. So, yep, obviously I can't bring y'all with me at my gym since it's in an Air Force base, and you know, can't be recording over there. So, you know that sudden rush that you feel when you're just so motivated, or like, you know, when you feel so good. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can relate to this, where you take a deep breath and then I don't know, you feel this whole tingly feeling throughout your whole body. Life is just so great, and don't take it for granted, for real. So y'all, I'm back. So I'm just chilling right now. These are my blue light glasses, you know, so I won't get a headache when I'm looking at my screen. Bruh, if you've never watched, y'all don't know what DDG is. Man, that man's an inspiration. Just to let y'all know. So if y'all ever need any YouTubers that y'all should watch, Lita G's that guy. You know what I'm saying? Let me see y'all so like a fly over there, man. Shout out to my dog, bro. But yeah, man, DDG, bro. It'd be cool to be in the same room with these people like him, the people that I watch all the time, like Wallow267 and all that stuff. Like the people that I just watch to kind of motivate myself and just see their growth And you know, it's nice, man. You know what I'm saying? It's nice experiencing life and seeing these type of people achieve their dreams and make stuff happen. And I'm gonna be in that same boat, I promise. Hey.
Like this one? Whoa! A notebook! Do you know how to say notebook? Notebook! If you don't hang out all. Stop.
January 3, baby. Today is the first day that I went to work while I'm doing this vlog / documenting my life. Yeah, today was a pretty good day going to work, man. Talked to some folks, you know what I'm saying, my CMD squad, and you know, it's always a good day at work, you know what I'm saying, being around people that's on that positive frequency, you know, trying to reach greatness in life. And bro, I was just gonna cook some salmon for meal prepping and stuff for work, but this is the problem of living with a lot of people, man. Dad went ahead and cooked it, but then I don't like it cooked that way. Damn, bro. Tortellini soup from Lexi's mother. Ooh. That ritual. Oh, I don't want to fall. Yeah, look at it. Yes, this UFO light right here, that was like super bright. I mean, you can see in the camera too. And so I had to, that was from a soft light that was broken. Those softbox, those light box thing for like photography. And I had a broken one. And I was like, okay, let me go use this. And I had my mom like create like some type of garter in a way. So as you can see, it's like right here. So convenient stuff. Some Filipino resourceful shit, so. This is my favorite candle right here, y'all. Yankee Candle, Midsummer's Night. One day, I'm gonna make a video of like the books that I've read. Here. There's a bunch of junk in it. How to see. Ignore my toes. That. Yo, I gotta show y'all this fire jacket. Adidas jacket I just got. This came in the mail today, you know what I mean? Bruh, before I'm going to sleep, just thinking, I wonder if, well, this gotta be it. When, you know, these people, they talk about like the feeling that they have when they're just so hungry. Man, you would think about things that you currently physically do not possess in your life, and you know, you're trying to make that happen, manifest it, and it's like, so you just feel it, man. You just, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, this gotta be the feeling. This gotta be it. This gotta be it. You know what I'm saying? This has gotta be it. Time to go to work, baby. Let's knock this day down. We got this. I'm being quiet because there's people in the house. It's early. You know what I'm saying? Time to go to work. Let this money, income fund my future dreams and my future manifestations, etc., etc. Let's go. Just got out of the gym, man. Did my work today. It's just one of those days, bro. It's like, you know, I've been in at work, you know, it's been pretty slow for the past 2 weeks because people are taking leave and stuff like that due to, like, you know, holiday season. This is the first week where it's like, you know, we're back on track. So it's like slow process getting there, and like, but you know, it is what it is. Still thankful I got a job, but yeah, I wish I could record my gym more custom. I probably can, but I just don't want to risk recording at my job location. So I'm just doing what I can do, you feel me? Oh, so yo, I bought like a gimbal. Shout out to my coworker Pettigrew, man. And I can't wait for it to get here, y'all. Like, so you know how like when I record it like this, it's kind of shaky. So with the gimbal, it's like even if I move it, it would look smooth and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So I'm excited for it, but let's keep this vlogging thing going, man. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm not doing too much. Of course, there's nothing interesting per se going on. I'm just going through my daily life, but you know, I just wanted to record my life, and you know, people got pictures, I want to have videos, you know what I'm saying? But or we can do both too, but for now, just doing videos. So yo, Woo Up's a legend, man. If I ever want a kid, if I ever have a kid, I don't want it to be as smart as Woo Up, for real.
What was yes the monitor then?
You know you're Asian when she gonna make me my smoothie. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, I haven't had a smoothie in a while, so I see there's no dinner, no actual food, so I'm just gonna make some smoothie, man. You know what I'm saying? Got league night today. I don't know if I'm gonna record over there. I really don't feel like it, but we'll see. We got here is strawberries, wild berries, flax seeds, honey, water, banana, Greek yogurt. So yeah, let's go mix them up. I like my smoothie really watery. Just got back from the league night, so I ended up winning my match, and my Wednesday league team got first place, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Broken Crayons, shout out to Richie and people at the bottom. But I'm about to show y'all that real quick. So Napa leagues. So the league is Napa. Search my name real quick. See, so let's look at our leaderboard. Oh no, hopefully it's clear. So right there, Broken Crayons team got first place, and we're up by like 100 and some points right now before today, so there's no way for the second place team to catch up. So we got first place. Oh, the Tuesday team, shout out to Jeff. We got, oh god dang, almost fell. We got a trophy too. We won first place in the Tuesday league, so that's lit. And yeah, man, it's pretty nice, you know. Best thing that I got from league is camaraderie and actually meeting other people, networking, and yeah, just meeting those folks. And it was nice to get me started into playing pool again, joining in, actually, you know, have like a goal, which is to win and to get first place. And so hopefully we'll, so for Thursday league, I'm not joining any leagues but the APA, but Thursday league we have like 7 weeks left, and my team's like 4th place, but it's pretty close. Well, 4th or 5th or 6th place. We're not doing good, but we're not that far behind, so it's really not that bad. But we're gonna end up getting that first place too. I need to start winning because I've been losing in those and Thursday, so it kind of sucks. But time to read some more Contagious, baby. Another work day, man. Another work day. Just got back from work. I don't know if I mentioned it in the other videos, but still carless. Well, I got a car. I'm using my mom's car, but my Mustang is still in the shop, man. Boys and girls, don't lose your keys, please. Especially if it's a push to start car. You know, all money in, no money out in 2023, but I had to squeeze in a couple bucks out before 2023, and it finally came today, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Yeah. Got a lot of Yeezys, but these are just used ones that I got on eBay. Some used turtle doves. I've been wanting these ever since they first released. Like, I forgot when the first one was, but I don't like. The resale for this is like $600, and I'm not about to pay $600 for these. So I bought some used ones. So I think I only bought this for like $290, but like with tax it was like $320. Shout out to that dude, man. Gave me a deal. Still pretty clean. eBay authenticated right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. But yeah, some turtle doves. Put them on feet and see. Got my slacks on right now. Dang it. That worked. I used to remember when I couldn't afford Yeezys, but I liked them so much. I bought like the cream whites on like DH Gate for like $30. But I don't know. If you wear fakes, that's fine. But I don't know, it just deep down I knew it was fake. Right. Of course all shoes are real, but you know, fake per se. These are I gotta wear this at work tomorrow. Plus it's Friday, so it's casual day. But you know, deep down to me it was fake. So I don't knock anybody. If you wear fakes, wear fakes. But me personally, I don't like it. So kind of brings me, I'm kind of glad I think that way, because it's nothing to do with like being judged by the public. Oh, you wear fake. I mean, I could care less if you do. Like, I don't judge you, or I'm not scared to be judged. It's just the fact that it's fake. Like, why? I don't know. Just like, if I can afford a real one, then maybe I'm not supposed to get it. You know what I mean? Oh, here we go. Bro, these are fucking fire, bro. Who we here with today? Hey, chef. Go ahead and say what's up to the cam. You know I got the vlog for you. Anyways, look what this old girl got, man. Got her a planner. What's the recommendation
for
the people?
I really suggest that you get a planner for your life. You know, it's really helpful, and I actually haven't really had one till I started wedding planning. You know, life's so busy planning a whole wedding and whatnot. So.
That's all you gotta say.
All right.
Don't get married.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I just showed you. She's the star of the show, crazy man. Khaleesi. Khaleesi. Alright, this is my first time eating overnight oats. My girl made it for me, so shout outs to her, but we'll see. We got bananas, oatmeal milk, cinnamon, she put some vanilla extract on here too. So we'll see. I'm gonna try it cold first though. gonna try it cold. And if this is not good, then I'm gonna try to heat it up and see. It smells good. Alright, I'm gonna try to heat it up. Heated oats is better. I know my girl always wanna take the credit, so I'm gonna give her the credit. She said it was gonna be better, so I'm gonna give her that credit. Just got done with dinner? What you have for dinner? Huh?
We went to walk on.
What did you eat though? I'm cold, girl.
I'm cold too.
What you want to smoke with tonight? What you know about this? Table tennis? Table tennis? Bet. Where should I put it though?
Babe, you're not gonna record the whole thing.
No, I'm only gonna record a clip.
That boy, you be throwing the remote for real.
Please.
Okay, ready?
Get up so I don't want to hear excuses. I do this. See that? You can't even see it. Yes, I can. Play it. This exclusive. Oh crap! What the heck? Bruh!
Same thing did last time.
Don't fast forward it. Don't fast forward it. Who won? Huh? Yeah. That boy Trey winning the game. No kizzy. Can you give me my props? What we about to play now? 3-point contest? Bet. Bet. Wow, crap. Alright, let's see what she got. Let's go, baby. How many points you getting? Dang, the lighting is so bad in this room. Let's see what she getting. Ooh.
Bro, I did terrible. What happened? What a shot. I was like
19? Alright, Trey's turn. Go ahead and record my boy Trey real quick.
20. Trey? Hurry up.
Chill out. Chill, bro. It's not about how you start, it's how you finish. You gotta bend the knee with it. Bend the knee, buddy. See? You bend. What the heck was that? Bruh! Come on, bruh. gonna get that 22. Chill.
You're only winning because I'm cold when I didn't feel like playing today. And Joe only wanted to see, he only wanted to show me losing, but look at the screen.
Disclaimer before I show this vlog.
Look at the screen.
She forced me to vlog this.
Because he won't show me
We've already
winning.
played 3 games, man.
That's me. I won. Look at the score.
Wait, 18-12. You were only up by 1 point. I already won 3 basketball pickup games before this video, but she said vlog it.
You won fair. 2. We only played twice, and I won this one. So you're literally lying to the camera.
We played 4 times.
We played 3 times total.
I gotta deal with this for the rest of my life.
Facts.
You look slow. I didn't record yesterday. Chef Lexi out here whipping for your boy. Well, for herself. But for me, really. Go ahead and look at the camera real quick.
Oh, hi. I didn't even know that you were there. So today we're just in the kitchen.
Big.
We have tortellini
Ooh, what we
soup
got?
here. That's for later this week.
Sheesh.
Yummy.
I know y'all can smell that from the camera for real. And what else we got, Chef? Oh, my bad.
And then we just have some green, nothing crazy over here. The tortellini is probably the best thing that we've got. We've got some green beans because, you know, we're being healthy. I don't like green beans, but my man's does. And then, you know, I don't know what this is. I just
rice and roni
I
or
just
something?
followed a TikTok video, and this is what she told me to make. So,
all right, what we got here?
That's what we making. In here, you'll see in 14 minutes that is some chicken. Finger licking chicken.
Bruh, sit you. What are those? You're supposed to wash while you're cooking.
And that's what I did actually, and that's what I got my gloves out for, so I can go ahead and wash this.
I bet.
You like my new apron?
I never seen you wear that actually.
I mean, from Lena.
All right.
I got a big ego.
Oh, some oats ready for tomorrow morning.
I want you to take a picture of me in this so I can send it to Lena.
Why is this? Oh man, I don't like how it. Look at this. Done taught myself how to make an overnight oat.
I taught you how to make that.
You always want the credit, bro. All right, chicken is ready. Hold on, let me show them that presentation real quick. What we got there, chef? Sheesh. They golden. Sheesh. That girl did that thing for real. Hey, go ahead and tune into my Instagram at JNanjoe.
Picture.
So you can see the Chef Lexi. Why is it not focusing? Why does it keep focusing on you?
Hurry up! I'm hungry.
All right, man. That girl want me to take a picture for her mama. Wait, this is zoomed in though. Hold up. You want the whole fit or just?
I just want you to see that I have the apron on. Okay, thanks. You can put it down.
Alright, first things first, when Chef Lexi cooks, we post it on Instagram first. Hashtag Chef Lexi. Tune into my Instagram at JNanjoe. Yeah. And then we're gonna do the official reaction of the first bite. This is Chef Lexi's first time cooking. What would you call this full thing? They can't see you right now.
Chicken.
Just chicken?
Rice and green beans.
Alright. I don't know if you had a name for it. Alright, come on. Ready? Gotta do a boomerang. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay, that was perfect. I think that was my first one try.
Okay, that's pretty good. Okay.
Instagram at JNanjoe.
Ooh, chicken.
Chef XC. I'm gonna put it XC.
You know what? Air fryer chicken?
Let me go and add that to my highlights.
Can you turn that off?
I am kind of cut that. I just want to record. Ew, I thought you were gonna do a reaction. You don't want to do a reaction?
I'm hungry.
Never mind. She hangry, so go ahead and sign out. Alright. And they wonder what it tastes like. Guess that's the
Ew.
excuse me answer. Thanks, Chef Lexi.
Produce, mix, master, engineer, written by me.